This is the Barrier Restore and Protect Oil formulation class. And this face oil is developed for sensitive skin. And I have used it for over almost 2 years now, maybe a year and a half. And different people have tried it, and it really does help to restore the skin barrier. And so with sensitive skin, the key is to use fewer ingredients to reset it, to restore it, to rebuild it, to replenish it, to nourish it. It's like the skin has been so broken down from, all the harsh skincare cleansers and products and overly manipulating the skin and the environment. And I mean, so many people have sensitive skin now, so it's really important to then just stop, and just do simple to restore it, because once it's out of balance and it loses its homeostasis, it's just and unless it kind of you cut back extremely with especially with ingredients, sensitive skin, it just continues. And so sensitive skin, what covers sensitive skin is dry skin, it's eczema. And what dry skin opens up to, it does open up to then eczema. It opens up to blemishes. It opens up to irritation, to rashes, to inflammation. And it's just, so all that can be prevented when the causes are like the harsh skincare products that are being used, the environment, dry air, that like air conditioners, heaters, they all dry out the skin and can harm the skin. And so this was devised for that. And so plant oils, they nourish the skin. They are so, if you think of the plant, that they're coming from, and a lot of the plant oils, they come from the seed. The seed carries all this information to grow that plant. And so in the seed, it's like, it's so powerful that's being, squeezed, all that from the plant. And, humans have existed with plants forever. And so it's like, that's what the skin needs are plants. And so I've formulated with almost every single oil for out there. When I see a new one, there's more and more coming on the market, so there's a few I haven't. But over 20 years, I've formulated with a lot, over hundreds of oils. And I've worked with many, so I know what they do on the skin. The trick is getting the synergy of the oils to work together. And so beautiful skin really starts with this synergistic blend of plant oils. And I found that it's better to use several plant oils together in a synergistic blend to promote beautiful skin compared to using one, because when you use several, then you're balancing the components that are in the oils, and that is the art of it. And so the first step really is for recovery, for repair, restoring skin of a compromised skin barrier. It is about returning to just simple, returning the skin to homeostasis of what the skin has always known what to do, to produce the natural oils and the moisture it needs. So in the skin, we have, in the stratum corneum, we have ceramides, we have waxes, there's cholesterol, lipids, free fatty acids, and there's other things. And so all of this helps to restore that. So let me show you the face oil. It's it's simple. It's so simple, but it's taken a lot of complexity to get to this point of this simple barrier restore oil that works. So you can see on here, it's beautiful. It goes on the skin. It just has, and the scent is just, I can't even, that's what people just love, is the natural scent. It's just so soothing. It really helps to soften the skin and really helps to calm it and to rejuvenate it, restore it. And what I find is for sensitive skin, one of the best things to do is to pair it with hydrosol. So two of my favorite hydrosols for sensitive skin is linden and carrot seed hydrosol. So carrot seed, it's like all of them are, these are both very, very gentle, but both of them help to restore the skin. They help to build back the skin barrier. And, you know, they're known for that, these two. But so hydrosols are concentrated. And so I think for sensitive skin, they need to be diluted. So I used in these, you know, I use anywhere from 50% hydrosol and 50% say distilled water, or sometimes I'll only use 20% hydrosol. So this one I did 50-50 with the carrot seeds. So it really depends on the strength of the hydrosol, the scent, because some scents of hydrosols are kind of strong. But if you look at like with the carrot seed oil, okay, then you know, you apply that to the skin. So to me, facial oil should always be applied to damp skin. Because then you have the moisture and you're locking it in with your face oil, and you have this complete system. That's all you need to do. So, you know, as you work with sensitive skin, all they need is just, you know, again, a mist of this, you'll see, and then you have it moist, and then you apply it, you know, a drop of this, and you have just this, I mean, incredibly beautiful moisturizer. And I just think that's how simple skincare can be. And yet you can have vibrant, beautiful, amazing skin that helps to restore and bring sensitive skin back to homeostasis. And so I think you will be very happy with this face oil.